Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 3, Whole Number Addition and Subtraction, Lesson 15, page 59. So turn to page 59 so you can follow along and take notes. Our vocabulary for today is table. So this is information arranged in rows and columns. So here's an example of a table. The title up here is Lunch Choices. Mac and cheese, sandwich, soup, hamburger, chicken nuggets, and then frequency is the number of times that it occurred. So probably like 5 people chose mac and cheese, 8 people chose sandwich, etc. So tables are a great way to organize information and to be able to read things very quickly. Okay, so getting started, let's do our warm-up. So 38 plus 1, this is pretty easy. 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 plus nothing is 0, or 3. Then we do 38 minus 24. We go to the ones column first. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. All right, let's look here at this problem. It says, Mr. Moore's students voted for their favorite pet. The results are shown in the table. How many more students chose dogs than cats as their favorite pet? So what do we have to find? Okay, we have to find how many more students chose dogs than cats. So students that chose dogs over cats is what we have to find. Okay. And then I'm going to zoom in here so we can see that a little better. All right. So how are we going to do that? Well, it's a pretty, like we've been doing with all of our last lessons, dogs over cats. So dogs is 38 and cats is 24. So I think we're going to subtract. Okay, we're going to subtract. We're going to do 38 minus 24. So the votes for dogs is 38. The vote for cats, 24. So we would do 38 minus 24 equals how many students? So 38, I'm going to line it up. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 14 more students. So is the answer reasonable? Yes, because we subtracted correctly. Because then if we go the opposite, 14 plus 24 equals 38. So that means that we did that correct. So pause if you need to write this down in your paper. All right, then the last question here says, how many students voted for hamsters and fish? So we can see hamsters is 20, fish was 1. So hamsters is 20, fish was 1. If we line it up, we could probably do this one in our head, but 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus nothing is 2. So 21 students voted for hamsters and fish. Okay, so use the table to solve the problem. Ben made a table to show the number of animals on his uncle's farm. How many horses and cows are on the farm? So what do we need to find? Horses and cows. How? We're going to add it up because it says and, so that means we're going to add it up. Horses, there are 18. Cows, there are 37. So I'm going to line it up, line up the place values to add. 8 plus 7 is 15, so we got to regroup. We're going to leave the ones, carry the 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So there are 55 cows. Horses and cows. Is the answer reasonable? Yes, because we found the total of horses and cows. Okay, so here's another problem. Solve a problem using a table. The table shows the numbers of math problems completed by 4 students. How many problems did Jane and Vicky complete together? So here's our data table. How many problems Jane and Vicky, we have to find how many problems Jane and Vicky completed all together. How? Identify the information in the table and then add to find the sum. Solve. Jane had 34 problems, Vicky had 28 problems, so 34 plus 28 is 62. Is this answer reasonable? Explain. Yes, because the estimated sum is 30 plus 30 equals 60, and 62 is close to 60. So here's an example of where they used estimation to find out if their answer was reasonable. All right, now what you're going to do is complete page 61 on your own and make sure to ask for help if you need it. Good luck.